careful. It's a little...
Here. Wait, what's wrong with it?
Pesky.
No.
Love it. I'm still good. I'm still good.
Come on, we gotta get the rev going. Yes. That's the ADR for this.
I'm gonna redo all the ADR.
And yeah, it's just gonna be your motorboat voice. Look at that. Dad! There's water all over there.
Did you catch that?
Yeah.
Great! We'll be right here forever. You should make it. You should do like a black and white overlay and then like, and then the storm hit. You'll hit those waves.
I know. It's like, oh, my thing is dripping. It's so wet. Oh, you're classic.
Oh yeah, I'm very soaked in. It really hit me.
It's on the lens and everything. It's so funny.
It's your special effect
Without having to do special effects. Funny.
I can't wait. I want that in I want that for like Instagram.
For Instagram? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go look back at it. Uh-oh. See if we get any more action. Okay, I know, we're in the splash zone.
Yeah, is there anything on the back?
What?
Is there anything on the back? Oh, I love that. Big mood.
3, 2, 1. Cannonball. Gold?
Okay, it's fine.
It's fine.
Oh, she's doing chapstick. After 5 years, she's finally gonna do my hair. Okay, you gonna put it in a bun?
Yeah, you gotta flip them. You gotta flip your hair.
I feel like this side's so much. Oh,
You gotta-
okay. I hate that. Yay, we got popcorn today. Okay, sorry if you make it again. Here, try it again. Oh my god, that was so close.
You are so close. What do you have to say for yourself for not making it again?
For like the umpteenth time, because I did this all yesterday.
Sad.
Good.
You never got it.
I need my space.
I'm sorry. I realize now.
It's all about formation.
Yep, all about that formation. Oh, nothing.
One more.
Go up on the side and then come down on
Wait. Aw, what a disappointment. And that's how it sucks you in for hours.